Okay, so now let us discuss distinguishable permutation. So ito po yung unang type ng permutation. So yung una is the permutation of n objects taken r at a time. So ito naman po yung first type ng permutation, which is with we call this as the distinguishable permutation. So ang definition po nito, distinguishable permutation is the arrangement. So, arrangement, order is important pa rin, no? So, it is the arrangement of objects with identical objects. So, ito pong distinguishable permutation is magagamit if ang problem is merong repeated elements or objects. Okay po. So, for example number 1. Okay, example number 1. Okay, so example number 1. How many ways can we arrange the letters in the word committee? Again, how many ways can we arrange the letters in the word committee? So, kapag nagsasolve po kayo ng mga ganito, sa distinguishable permutation kasi it's all majority ang mga problem, puro words. So, uunahin nyo po, ang kunin is the value of n. Okay po? So, yung value po ng n, ma-determine nyo po kung ilang letters yung words, kung ilang letters meron yung words. So, bilangin natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, our n is 9. Okay po? Now, bibilangin nyo naman yung mga letters na naulit. So, itong M. So, yung M, meron siyang dalawa. So, ano pa? Itong T. Naulit siya. So, dalawa rin. So, dalawa. Kasi dalawa itong T. So, itong E, naulit din. So, merong dalawa. So, yung mga hindi naulit, wag nyo nang pansinin. Kasi isa lang naman sila. Wala silang kapartner. So, yung M, T, tsaka E lang, yung mga naulit. So, now, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, P is equals to N natin is 9. And don't forget to write the factorial notation all over. Ang ilalagay nyo naman sa denominator, yung mga nakuha nyong naulit na letters. So, tatlo yan. So, meaning tatlong 2 factorial. Okay po. So, now, simplify. What is 9 factorial? So, that is, let us expand na lang. So, 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial para makancel natin yung isa sa baba. Okay, so ito na lang kakancel natin, no? So, ang natira na lang is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, which is 181,440 divided by 2 factorial times 2 factorial, that is 4. So, divide 181,440 divides 4. The answer is 45,360 ways. 360 ways. So, that is the answer. So, again, distinguishable permutation magagamit kapag merong repeated elements or objects na tinutukoy. Yan. So, dito, ang sabi, how many ways can we arrange the letters in the word committee? So, kukunin nyo yung kung ilang letters meron yung word na yon. So, 9. And then, kukunin nyo yung mga naulit na letters. So, yung M, dalawa. So, M is 2. T is naulit ng dalawang beses. So, 2 siya. Yung E, 2. So, kung ano yung mga naulit, lalagay nyo na sa baba. 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Then, simplify. That is the answer. Next example. Okay, so babasahin ko na lang kasi medyo mahaba eh. So, find the numbers of different ways of placing 15 balls in a row given that 5 are red, 4 are green, 3 are yellow, 2 are blue, and 1 black. Okay, so ang sabi dito, find the number of different ways of placing 15 balls. 15 balls meaning the value of n is 15. Okay, so ang mga naulit dito, 5 are red. So red daw is 5. And then 4 are green. So green is 4. Okay po. And then 3 are yellow. So yellow is 3. What else? 2 are blue. So blue is 2. And 1 black. So kapag 1 po, wag nyo nang ilagay kasi maka-cancel lang yon kasi anything that you multiply to 1, the answer is the number. So what is our formula? So n factorial divided by a factorial, b factorial, c factorial, and so on. Ito pong mga a, b, c, yun po yung mga naulit sa problem. Ito pong n, yung total number of objects. So p is equals to n natin is 15. So 15 factorial divided by yung mga naulit, 5, 4, 3, 2. So we have 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. Okay? Naintindihan. So now, let us solve. Okay. So, expand natin tong taas into tayo sa 5 factorial since siya yung pinakamataas. So, 5 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. Meron pa pala tayo dito para makancel tong 5 factorial. So, P is equals to multiply. Multiply natin sa taas. Okay, so gumamit na ako ng calcu and ang lumabas is 10 billion. 10 billion 897 million. Diyos ko po, ang dami. Okay, yan. Pag pinag-multiply ito hanggang 6 kasi kinancel na yung 5 factorial. Divided by 4 factorial is 24. So, 3 factorial is 6. So, multiply na lang natin. So, 4 factorial is 24 times 3 factorial is 6. Alam niyo naman na mag-expand ng factorial. Times 2 factorial, that is just only 2. So, the answer for the denominator is 288. So, now let us divide. Divide natin itong napakalaking number na to. So, the permutation is 37,837,800 ways. So, this is our permutation. Okay po, napakalaki. So, ayun po yung distinguishable permutation. Kailangan mo pong alamin kung ano yung mga naulit dun sa problem. Distinguishable is the arrangement of objects with identical objects. Thank you for watching.